Hey, so I lost my voice a few days ago, so I'm just now getting it back. And I didn't plan on doing a video, but I'm just so excited that I can't wait to do it. So I can't wait for my voice to come back. I'm just going to do it now. But I'm talking to our customers. And first of all, we're always thankful for you, and we tell you that all the time because we truly mean that from the bottom of our hearts. But you know, when we started Clean Our Cans, we were one of the first in America to bring it to our community, and we're so proud of that. That was in 2014, and even though the UK has been providing trash can cleaning service to people for decades now, and it's very well received there. People love it, and even though they have like colder, wet climate, I mean, it's huge there. People use it all the time and they love it. And you know, when we brought it to Bryan in College Station, Texas, you know, it was just like, what's going to happen? We'll see. I just know that I loved the idea of it, and I knew that we needed it. It's not just about things smelling clean, which that is awesome, and that is like a huge priority when your trash can reeks of God knows what, but it kills bacteria, so the health benefit is amazing. But what I'm so excited about today is that, again, when you bring a product or a service to the market and it's new and you don't know exactly how it's going to be received, but you love it, it's always so refreshing when people do receive it well. And it's not for everybody, and that's okay. Sometimes the price is too high for people and they just can't afford it, even though they do like it or they're interested in it. But it is for people who care about clean, who know that clean really does smell good. And it's for the people who want that, okay? That they value that and they want that in their home. So that's our promise to you, is that we're going to deliver on what your need is, okay? We're going to provide a service that is going to make something that is gross smell good, and therefore is going to help you in your home. Now, the benefit, the kicker to that, which is awesome, is that we're actually killing bacteria. So again, we're providing a health benefit that is just fantastic. There are all kinds of things in there, and they've done studies, and maybe that's why it's huge in the UK. I mean, they've literally found Yersinia pestis in trash cans. Do you know what that is? That is the Black Plague, okay? That really affected the UK years ago, right? So maybe that's why they care so much about trash can cleaning. I don't know. I don't know exactly why it's so huge over there, but they know the benefits of disinfecting something that really is full of bacteria. That's what that bad smell is. It's bacteria. So E. coli, salmonella, listeria, these are things that actually make people sick on a daily basis. And how many times do we grab our trash can, pull it up from the curb, and then just go pick up our child or grab our doorknob or get into our car? So these are just things that we care about. It's why we brought this service to America and to Bryan and College Station. It's why we build these cleaning systems for other people so they can institute this in their own communities. And again, I'm just excited, and excuse my voice, but I hope you see and can hear the joy of again, reiterating that this product or service may not be for you, but we're so thankful for the hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people who have used us and love us and come back every month to let us disinfect this nasty area that we all have at our homes and we all have to deal with. So thank you so much. We truly appreciate you and love you. Take care.